In a surprise move, President Donald Trump has announced a new set of tariffs on a wide range of U.S. trading partners. These tariffs, unveiled through an unexpected executive order on Friday, are set to take effect on August 7th. The order sets tariff rates for 68 countries and the 27-member European Union, with a baseline 10% duty on nations not specifically listed. This announcement comes as several countries are still negotiating trade deals with the Trump administration. Trump has repeatedly said he is sticking to the August 1st deadline for imposing tariffs on countries that fail to reach an agreement. According to senior U.S. officials, the new rates were decided based on trade imbalances and regional economic profiles. The tariffs will be implemented a little later to allow time to harmonize the rate schedule. On Truth Social, Trump wrote, "The August 1st deadline is the August 1st deadline. IT stands strong and will not be extended. A big day for America." Trump had first announced blanket 10% tariffs on imports from nearly every country back in April, along with higher targeted duties of up to 50% on certain goods. However, that initial move caused global concern and even stock market panic, prompting a 90-day pause on the steeper tariffs. Just a day before the deadline, Trump announced 25% tariffs on India, along with a penalty for procuring military and energy equipment from Russia.
A group of countries that are anti the United States, and India is a member of that, if you can believe it. It's an attack on the dollar, and we're not going to let anybody attack the dollar. So it's partially BRICS, and it's partially the trade situation. It's the deficit. We had a tremendous deficit. And so, as you know, Prime Minister Modi is a friend of mine, but they don't do very much business in terms of business with us. They sell a lot to us, but we don't buy from them. You know why? Because the tariff is so high. They have one of the highest tariffs in the world. Now they're willing to cut it very substantially, but we'll see what happens. We're talking to India now. We'll see what happens. It doesn't matter too much whether we have a deal or whether we charge them a certain tariff, but you'll know at the end of this week. August 1st is a very big day for this country because money is going to pour into the United States like we've never seen before. Yes, ma'am. Each point that this gentleman...
Are you still open to negotiate with India on the tariff front?
Well, we're talking to him now. We'll see what happens. Again, India was the highest or just about the highest tariff nation in the world, and one of the highest 100 points, 150 points or percentages. So India was one of the highest in the world. They had won 175%, and higher than that. You know, there's another higher one is Canada. They've been charging our farmers 200%, 300%, 400% for years, and nobody did anything about it. But India is one of the highest, so we're going to see. We're negotiating with India right now.
Meanwhile, China is in advanced talks with the U.S. for a deal that could give it a favorable tariff rate and possible waivers on some secondary tariffs. Trump has already struck deals with countries like South Korea, Japan, Indonesia, the Philippines, Cambodia, and Thailand. Talks with Canada are still ongoing, while Switzerland, Norway, and the EU are waiting for clarity on their tariffs. As for Mexico, one of the U.S.'s biggest trading partners, Trump said he would enter into a 90-day negotiating period after a call with Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum. For now, Mexico's 25% tariff stays in place, down from the 30% Trump had earlier threatened. Trump linked tariffs on Mexican goods to fentanyl trafficking and confirmed that while autos would face a 25% tariff, metals like copper, aluminum, and steel would be taxed at 50% during negotiations.